That's crazy, bro. Dude is really killing the drums, bro. He killing the drums and singing at the same time, bro. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
Welcome back, guys.
I had to freshen up, but you already know, man. We back with another Queen video. You already know what time it is, man. You know what I'm saying? You already know what time it is, man. Back with my girlfriend, bro. Back to another Queen video. As you say, man, y'all always told me that it ain't just Freddie Mercury with the vocals, it's Roger too. Y'all told me that. So a commenter in this, a subscriber in the comment section below sent me a video, told me to react to if I really want to see Roger Mayweather sing. So the name of this video right here is, go down real quick, scroll down. It's gonna be Queen Roger Taylor, I'm in Love with My Car, live in Montreal, 1981. 1981, man. Let's get into this thing, man. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all spam it up in that comment section below, you know what I'm saying?
And then the 3 things that we love, like,
subscribe,
and slap that notification bell for updates to the channel.
Alright now, let's get it.
That is huge.
Yeah, you better get used to it, man. A lot of rock bands be having all types of stuff like that, man.
That's huge.
It's crazy. Crazy, bro. Dude is really killing the drums, bro. He killing the drums and singing at the same time, bro. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Y'all wasn't lying about that, bro. That's crazy. That takes some crazy talent, bro, to play the drums, man. You gotta keep the bass. You gotta keep everything on point while singing. That's crazy.
Yeah, to drum with. He doing all that with 2 hands and 2 drumsticks.
That's crazy, man. That's crazy, man. That's crazy, bro. I didn't even know Roger Taylor was really that talented, bro. I didn't really think, you know what I'm saying, as far as like the singing part, bro. I did not think he was that have that type of talent. That's crazy, man. Y'all always showing me new stuff about them, bro. That's crazy. I appreciate that, man. I honestly appreciate that, man. Y'all want to see more videos like this, man? Honestly, bro. I want to actually see I actually want to see another Roger Taylor singing video, man. Something that's more in depth, man. Y'all put some more videos down in the comment section below, because like it is kind of hard to pick and choose which videos on YouTube, you know what I'm saying, just picking them out. So if you guys can put me some links down there, maybe like a, you know what I'm saying, a nice comment or something, or what to look up, man, that'd be greatly appreciated. But you guys already know what to do, man. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and slap that bell for notification and updates to the channel, because the grind don't stop till you reach the top, man.
And with that being said, peace.